Hi, my name is Subhash. I am from Kolar. I have done my graduation in the college Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology as a Bachelor's of Engineering in the stream Electronics and Communication in the year 2023. Later, I have joined Qspider in the month of June as a software testing course. The course will like manual testing. It is done by Umashankar sir, and automation testing. We are using a Selenium that is done by Mustaqim sir, and Java is done by Manjunath sir, and SQL is done by Ramkrishna sir. So once I complete my course in the month of December, our HRs have given me more requirements. So now I got a place in a company called Ivin Software Solutions. There were like 4 rounds of interview rounds. First round were like written tests. Other 2 are technical rounds. Final round is HR round. So finally I got a place in a Ivin Software Solutions. So I would like to thank our Qspiders branch and faculties and HRs for giving me this opportunity to place there. Thank you.